No wash hair hacks. Keep your hair fresh without water. Hey Clean Life Vlog fam. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that I know many of you will find super helpful. How to keep your hair looking fresh and clean without washing it. Whether you're in a rush, trying to preserve a hairstyle, or just giving your hair a break, these tips will save the day. Let's jump right in. First up is a classic, dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is a lifesaver for those in-between wash days. Shake thicken well before use. You want to make sure the product is evenly mixed. Hold the can about 6 to 8 inches away from your scalp. Spray directly onto your roots, focusing on the oiliest areas. Let it sit for a minute or two to absorb the oil. Massage it into your scalp with your fingers and then brush it out for a clean, refreshed look. Method 2. DIY natural refreshers. If you prefer natural alternatives, I've got a couple of DIY options for you. These are easy to make and great for your hair. 1. Cornstarch and cocoa powder. Mix equal parts of cornstarch and cocoa powder for darker hair, or just cornstarch for lighter hair. Apply it to your roots with a makeup brush. Let it sit for a few minutes, then brush it out. This will absorb excess oil and give your hair a fresh look. 2. Apple cider vinegar spray. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 4 parts water in a spray bottle. Spritz it lightly onto your roots and let it dry. This will help neutralize odors and add a bit of shine. Method 3. Clever styling hacks. Sometimes, a quick style change can make all the difference. Here are a couple of quick fixes. High ponytail or bun. Pull your hair up into a high ponytail or bun. This hides greasy roots and gives a chic look. 2. Hair accessories. Use headbands, scarves, or clips to distract from oily roots and add a fun element to your style. Method 4. Refreshing hair scent. To keep your hair smelling fresh, try these tips. 1. Essential oils. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to your hairbrush and brush through your hair. Lavender, peppermint, and tea tree oil work great. 2. Hair perfume. Use a hair perfume or a light body mist to give your hair a pleasant scent. And there you have it. Easy and effective ways to keep your hair fresh without washing it. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Clean Life Vlog for more awesome cleaning and lifestyle hacks. Visit cleanlifevlog.com for a treasure trove of information on keeping your life fresh, clean, and organized. Share this video with your friends who might need a quick hair refresh. Until next time, stay fabulous.